I'm going to walk you through a crucial step by step tutorial on how to change your dividend handling settings on the M1 Finance platform. Whether you're looking to utilize DRIP or reinvest new capital into your pie, this guide will help you maximize your investment potential. Let's go. First off, what is dividend handling according to M1? M1 offers several new options for routing your cash dividend payments. Number one, you can add to your portfolio's cash balance. Two, you can reinvest in the security that paid that dividend, also called DRIP, or you could transfer to your M1 high yield cash account. Now, if we scroll down here to change the dividend handling settings, these are our updates, and this is what we're going to go through in this video. Now, let's go back to our M1 Finance app. And once you get logged in, on your homepage, if you scroll down to your Invest tab, click on that. Once this comes up to your total portfolio, your main pie, we can scroll down and we can see dividend handling on the bottom left. Once we click that, this is the screen that you can make adjustments to where you want to send your dividend payouts. We have the option to add to the cash to the account that will reinvest the dividend payments to your pie. We also have reinvest into the underlying security. And as you can see, as I click it, it will immediately save. So you can adjust this when you feel. You can also sweep it into a high yield account if you do not want to reinvest your dividends. Or, which I think this is pretty cool, you can customize it per security. So these are my holdings that I have on this M1 Finance portfolio. And say I wanted to keep Amex dividends to go to cash, I can do that. But let's say for SCHD, I want to add that to the underlying security and click save. So you can actually really manipulate how you want to reinvest your portfolio when you receive your dividend payouts. For me, though, I'm going to do the DRIP, reinvest into the underlying security. Reinvesting into the underlying security can have its benefits, but it will go back into each security. So when I receive my SEHD payout of my quarterly dividends, it will automatically reinvest that amount of cash into the SEHD holding. If you choose to add to your portfolio's cash balance, I wanted to point out a few things. This is the default option for dividend payments. Paid dividends will collect in your cash balance just like a normal deposit. Funds in your cash balance will be invested according to your auto invest settings and minimum cash balance. When you invest your new capital into M1, this is the selection, the add to your portfolio's cash balance. That is why I chose to use the DRIP feature, which is the cash dividend payments of at least $1 that will automatically be reinvested back into the investments that paid them, regardless of your investment's target percentage allocation. Dividends worth less than $1 will be added to your cash balance as described above. So, let's say you received a dividend of 85 cents. You will not be investing utilizing DRIP into that exact holding. So this is a feature you want to be aware of if you are trying to use DRIP and you're just starting out with your M1 Finance portfolio. Number three, you do have the option to transfer to the M1 high yield cash account if you have one. Same as the DRIP feature, you have to have at least $1 to automatically transfer to your high yield cash account if you choose this feature. Just want to remind the new investors that are receiving pennies on the dollar as dividend payouts. Choosing this feature, you will not be dripping or investing into your M1 high yield cash account if you have less than $1 earned in dividend payouts. This is a fantastic new feature offered by M1 Finance, and it's as simple as can be. That's the new way to handle your dividend payouts with M1 Finance. Like and subscribe for more quality dividend ETF investing with M1 Finance.